What's there on the table?
There's LED.
There's LED.
An LED. Clear? What's there in your right hand?
There is a mic in my right hand.
What's there in his right hand?
There's a mic in his right hand.
What's there in your left hand?
There is nothing in my left hand.
What's there in his left hand?
There is nothing.
Please.
There are tripods on the table. What's there on the tripods?
There are mobile phones.
Please.
There's Mr. Tasawwur between Mr. Tahir and Mr. Furqan.
Excellent. Who's there behind Mr. Tasawwur?
There's none.
There is none. Is it? None.
None.
You got the idea? A'udhu billahi as-sameel alim minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. We are going to have a new session of English speaking and writing skills. Do you remember which session is it?
Yes, I remember. 5th session.
MashaAllah. You ready for that?
Yes. Yes.
Today's lesson is about what and where. Please. What's there?
There's a mobile phone
Excellent. Where?
on the table.
On the table. Funds clear?
Yes. Yes.
What?
A cup
A cup. Where?
on the dish.
In the plate. You can see the plate. Where?
On the table.
On the table. Or you can say under the cup. What? Under the cup. Or between the cup and the table. What?
Sweater
Where?
on Mr. Faham body.
On Mr. Faham's body.
Shirt.
What? Shirt. No R. Shirt.
Shirt
Where?
On Mr. Faham's body.
Or under the sweater. Between the body and the sweater. No points clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Know what is to be done.
What's there on the table?
There's a computer on the table.
Excellent.
There's a computer on the table.
Excellent.
What's there on the table?
There's LED on the table.
There's LED on the table.
An LED. Clear? Your question.
What's there in the cupboard?
Excellent.
There are files in the cupboard.
Excellent. Please.
What's there behind the chair?
Excellent. Please.
There's a wall behind the chair.
There's a curtain behind the chairs. There are many devices behind the chair. Now you got the idea?
Yes. Yes.
Please, your question.
What's there under your feet?
There's floor under my feet.
Excellent. What's there in your right hand?
A mic in my right hand.
We are moving to the next round. What's there in your right hand?
There is a mic in my right hand.
What's there in his right hand?
There's a mic in his right hand.
Excellent. What's there in your left hand?
There is nothing in my left hand.
Excellent. What's there in his left hand?
There is nothing in his left hand.
Excellent. And what's there in his right hand?
There is a mic in his right hand.
Concept, if nothing is clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
No. It's you to ask two questions, you people. The first question should have somewhat, and the other should have the answer nothing. Please, who will initiate?
What is there in your right shoulder?
What's there on your right shoulder?
There's a mic on my right shoulder.
Okay,
What's there on your left shoulder?
There's nothing on my left shoulder.
excellent. So I'm sure you've got some idea what is meant by nothing. Funds clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
No, it's we to change the question. No. First, something, where is that? For example, there are files, ready? There are files on the shelf. What's there in the files? Again, there are files on the shelf. What's there in the files? Please.
There are important documents in the file.
Excellent. Now you got the idea? Please.
There's a teacup on the table. What's there in the teacup?
Okay.
There's nothing in the teacup.
Excellent. There's nothing in the teacup. What was there in the teacup?
There was tea in the teacup.
Excellent. No, there is no tea in the teacup. But before this, there was tea in the teacup. Please question.
There are books in the cupboard. What's there in the books?
Excellent. There are books in the cupboard. What's there in the books?
There are important information in the books.
Excellent. There is knowledge in the books. There is information in the books. There are so many lessons in the books. There's a history in the books, no? There are ideas in the books. There's clarity in the books. There's your bright future in the books.
There are chairs on the floor.
Okay.
What's there on the chairs?
Excellent. Please.
There's nothing on the chair.
Excellent. Except one chair. And what's there on that chair? There's a shawl. Oh, whose shawl? This is Mohsin's shawl.
There is a dice on your left side. What is there on the dice?
There's nothing on the dice.
Excellent. And what's there behind the dice?
There's another cupboard.
Excellent. What's there in front of the dice?
There's a chair
This chair you're talking about? Again,
There's a chair
in front of the dice. Excellent. Please.
There is a monitor on the table.
Okay.
What's there on the screen?
There's nothing on the screen.
Excellent. There's nothing on the screen. What's there on this screen?
There's a movie
On this screen. Excellent. Please.
There are tripods on the table. What's there on the tripods?
How simple that is. Please.
There are mobile phones on the tripod.
Excellent. No. Please.
There is a clock on the wall.
Okay.
What's there in the clock?
What's there in the clock?
There's a time in the clock.
Excellent. There's a time in the clock.
There's a day in the clock.
There's a date in the clock.
There's a date in the clock.
There are digits in the clock.
There are digits in the clock.
There's a blinking in the clock. We are moving to the next round. That is about who? What? Who? There are three people in front of you. It's you to let us know who is there and where. Please.
There's Mr. Faham between two people.
There's Mr. Faham between two people. Excellent. Please.
There's Mr. Faz on the right side of Mr. Faham.
There's Mr. Fazul Hassan on the right side of Mr. Faham. Okay.
There's Mr. Faham on the right side of Mr. Rafi.
Please, beta.
There's Mr. Faham between Mr. Rafi and Mr. Faz.
Excellent. Ready? Now it's you to let me know who's there and where, one by one.
There's Mr. Mohsin on the left side of Mr. Tahir.
Excellent. Please.
There's Mr. Tasawwur on the right side of Mr. Tahir.
Excellent. Please.
There's Mr. Furqan on
Side
the
of
right side of Mr.
Tasawwur.
Tasawwur.
Excellent. Please.
There's Mr. Hamza on the right side of Mr. Furqan.
Okay.
There's Mr. Furqan on the left side of Mr. Hamza.
Ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Who's there between Mr. Furqan and Mr. Tahir?
There's Mr. Tasawwur between Mr. Tahir and Mr. Furqan.
Excellent. Who's there behind Mr. Tasawwur?
There's none.
There is none. Is it? None. There's
None.
You got the idea? There's Mr. Faham on my right side, and there is none behind him. There are you in front of him. Now you got the idea?
Yes.
Now, who will initiate?
There's Mr. Rafi on the left side of Mr. Faham, and there's none behind Mr. Rafi.
There is none behind Mr. Rafi. There is none on the left side of Mr. Rafi. There are two young scholars on the right side of Mr. Rafi. There is none on the left side of Mr. Rafi. There are you in front of Mr. Rafi. There is none behind Mr. Rafi. No, you got the point? Sure. Please, beta.
There's Mr. Faham on left side of Mr. Faz. There is none on right side of Mr. Faz.
Oh, you can.